President Museveni ebyabagambiro bwatandikire ihuriro yo kurwana obworo omukyanga kya Bugisu kandi ataayayeire abantu abaganyirwa mu program ya Parish Development Model omu kyaro kya Busituma yo kubanza omuraka gwa Makenya omu district ya Manafa.
Because the plan is to give 100 homes per year.
Plan ya government iri kwa hahwa atingo simia buli mwaka milioni ndwera.
So in 3 years we should have covered 300 homesteads.
Kale mu miko kitaru kwa hahubanga holire mungo bimya bitaru.
Then in the third year, the ones who got first pay back. They pay back the 1,160,000.
Ari mu mwaka kwa hataru baba so hahufu ne million bahahuba basasula ne bongera ho kamagoba mitwalo kisesa.
So now in the third year you will get 100 million from the people who are paying back in the parish.
President Museveni aina maskongo program ya PDM eri hamuramwa ogukwera abaturu kurwana obworo mu byanga byabo.
Now I can see here that Namukono has selected pigare, which is one of the 7 activities.
Irano abonari mzee ina mukono Joni walondamo timbiti huba ya timbiti nayo tisabe hwakana program.
It is one of the 7 activities.
Irani chochaba kimi dinayimu kimi
ebyokukora
bitwera hubyesi hwakana muhole misanvu.
The ones which you can do in a small area but to get good money.
Iso nyala wahola musifosi fiti ne wafuna kampesa kamakali.
This we put in the manifesto 1996.
Era sino hola mu manifesto NRM mu 1996.
That's why we are talking of the 4 acres model then 1996.
Babanta baganyirwa mu program eji bagambire bekoriremu.
Kama naniongezea yenye maziwa takuwa kwa furaha sana, hata watoto yangu na hata kwa area hii kwa Ucherani watakuwa na kwa raha kabisa.
This farmer John is according to our analysis in the department and the district is among the farmers who fall under the, I think you have seen for yourself, the farmers who fall under the 39%. Though for us in Manafa, our percentage of poverty is a little bit low, is at 33%, but this is among the farmers who fall under this. And we have, as a department, we have really liked his zeal. He is really willing, he's a farmer who is very willing to transform, to change from the 33% to commercial agriculture.
Omukyanga kya Bugisu, President Museveni naza kurambira emyanya mu Bududa, Manafa hamwe na Sironko kandi hona naza kutayira Bugisu Industrial Hub agiroho ekiganiro n'abembezo mu Bulamburi yaheza naza kugamba n'abantu bona hari Mbare SS kandi ayigureho n'engutu za usimidizo kozurwa mu Rurembo rwa Mbare gashaka Abdukari Musengendo.